sorry to show this, but I have a point why I am doing this one. This is the diaper of my mom. Doesn't have poop, but it's contaminated already. So I'm going to show you. It's not that disgusted, but like I said, I have a point. So it looks like this. See? Last year, or I think 2 years ago, she had this diapers that she just removed them and throw it on the floor. And when I checked it, I told my mama, you didn't use your diapers. What did you do? It's now contaminated. And she didn't know what to say. And I told her, you cannot use it anymore because it's contaminated. Is it hot, or do you feel uncomfortable using a diaper? And what will we do with that? And right away, I thought of this because I am segregating water, and I use of some recycled water, and I just dip the diaper of my mama into those dirty water, but I keep on using the recycled water. I use them as watering the plants, cleaning those hard surfaces with mud on them. Hard mud got thickened, it got hard because our house was flooded for so many times. And basically that's it. I dip the diaper there, and when I lift it again, it absorbs those the oils. And wow, it helped me figure out something that it was there for so many years, for so many decades. If no one is studying dirty water, because it's dirty water, who can study those things except for those who are environmentalists? Now I'm trying to convince. If I'm not able to convince people, it's okay, but I'm trying to bring people be conscious about flood control, water segregation, how to minimize the use of water, because so many people are just use the water, and some doesn't turn off the faucet even the water is overflowing. You know what I'm saying? Those negligence when it comes to water consumption. Okay, So that's it. And that's how I think the environment and its crisis with sanitary napkins, billions, diapers, billions, trillions. I mean, if we have the real total of those manufacturers, you add them all and just throw it in dump sites. Or when I was younger, I just saw diapers in the sidewalks. I think those are diapers that were um, thrown away on the window of their cars, I think, because, or those are diapers that was when a dog is a scavenger, or rip anything and look at those plastic garbage, and they kept on looking. And I saw so many of these things when I was growing up. That's how I got aware. Okay, that's just my point. And if so many people kept on doing that over and over and over and over and over again and again and again, that's how we see these things all around us. They're not being processed, and they're not turning them into soil. But if you dry them up, these wet diapers, if you dry them up, and if you see how the earthworm works on those diapers, they got shrink, and then what's left is just the plastic of that diaper. That's how I observed it. Okay, thank you for listening on this side of why I keep on doing them over and over and over again, because I am researching. I am finding ways to break down these pieces of garbage.